Yagni benta jonga kubor la wanraj phi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Kasorkar jala hne ka arphlai tere unai tung aja arphok la maham ting e ki hospital shimet bakim dei ban be e ki bre ki basuba badan jing pang covid-19 klam da ai jing sumar umentri rang ba ban rap kasorkar jala ba prastun tinsang ha bakran bekla pathai khubor ulong ba baro ki hospital la ki de ki hospital sarkar ni ki hospital shimet kila don la ki kindon ban sumar ki basuba don jing pang covid-19 bakim dei ban kinta ikinu gnu ba wan pha sumar ha ki hospital.
The meeting was held, I think convened by Commissioner Secretary of Health along with DHS, where they called the meeting to all those private hospitals and all clinics, all hospitals. They had a meeting and requesting those concerned institute, medical institute like any hospitals, that kindly admit the patients, because they do have a protocol. They already have their prescribed norms issued by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Whoever goes to hospital, first of all, they need to go to the emergency desk. So in the emergency desk, they do have all the details. If the doctor, when they ask the question, they understand that maybe this patient is having some sign of symptom, they know how to isolate them, but not to throw them out, not to tell them to go back home. I think that is illegal. So I would like to remind all the concerned hospitals in the state of Meghalaya, we would request them not to stigmatize or not to neglect the patients. Anytime they come, it is your bounded duty to admit them for medical treatment.